Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Pat of Card Scale Dreams here. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the interest in the last couple videos I did. I really appreciate the views, comments, all my subs. So today, we're going to be doing model cars and coffee. Sunday morning model cars and coffee, hosted by Paul at Left Coast Model Car Builds. Thank you, Paul, for hosting this. It's still having fun with this one, as many are. So today I want to talk a little bit about something that I built when I was younger, in my early teens. It was a Lamborghini, the Monogram exotic car series, the Lamborghini. And I've always wanted to rebuild this model, but the front A-arms are snapped. One of them snapped right off. I lost the piece. Bunch of parts missing, and so it probably was never going to happen. I have most of the parts laying somewhere in different parts box drawers and whatnot. So, but I know there was a couple pieces that I couldn't find when I did go through this kit years and years ago. And I had an idea maybe I would rebuild it, but probably never going to happen. But anyways, the other day, a guy was selling some kits and off Facebook, and he happened to have this one. So I picked it up, grabbed it, got it for 15 bucks. Killer deal. Something that I really wanted. I was keeping my eye out for this kit, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked that I got it. So I'll get you switched around. I'll show you my old build, and let me know if you've got any of you guys have built this kit, or have it. I'd like to build this kit fairly soon. I know Link is doing a box stock group build. I can't remember exactly what it's called. I'll have to go watch his video. I should have watched it prior to this, but I just have a few minutes here on my split shift to show you guys what this is. So anyways, I'll get you flipped around and we'll have a look. Okay, here we go. So this is the kit that I got, the exotic car series at Lamborghini LP500s. So when I was a kid, the Lamborghini Countach was my favorite supercar. So back then there weren't a ton of supercars. This was like in the 80s when I was really young. So I remember when I was probably about 8 or 9, I seen a Lamborghini Countach in real life. And I live in a smaller town, and you never ever seen cars like this back then. Not that you see them now, but you see some Corvettes and whatnot, and they look pretty sweet. But you never would see anything like this. So when I seen this car, it was in front of a video store, like a stereo video store, and it was on a trailer, and it was a glass trailer. Like, I was really young. I was probably about 9 or 8, but I remember seeing the car. It was red, and it was, oh man, it was like the most beautiful car I had ever seen in my life. It was absolutely awesome. So I still remember that to this day. So the LP500S is basically an updated version of the Countach. I think in 82 they came out with the LP500S, excuse me, which was basically Same body style, more powerful engine, 4.8 liter, and I think it had 375 horses. It says on this it's a 5 liter, but it was a 4.8. Oh yeah, it says right down there, 0 to 100 in 10.8 seconds. Top speed, cruising speed of 180 miles per hour. It also says. So kind of cool, really cool car. Like I said, the LP500S is basically updated Countach. Some updates in the interior, bigger engine, but essentially the same car. So now that we got that out of the way, so this is the one that I did in my early teens, probably 14. So I painted it with a brush, enamel, Tester's enamel. So you can kind of see the brush strokes. So actually it's not that bad. You can see where I got too thick. Some spots are pretty nice. The gold turned out really, I don't know where the tires are for this kit, but they were gold. I was pretty proud, and I remember putting this together. It never did close quite right. I couldn't, it just had a bit of an opening and wouldn't close properly. I remember that. But yeah, super excited to get this kit again. You can see my thumbprint, I think it is. Yeah, my thumbprint right on the side. This is funny. I think by then I wasn't glue bombing because this came apart pretty easy. So that is that. I have the interior bucket still, the seat, one seat, I don't know where the other one is, it's around somewhere, and then the dash. So like I said, it's not a glue bomb because it comes apart pretty easy. Just have this air thing. And then the engine, which I think I did a pretty decent job at. Obviously, I wasn't removing mole lines and stuff like that. It's not even together symmetrically. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked to have this kit. I have peeked in the box. The seller did tell me there was one intercooler missing because it has two intercoolers. But as you see, A-arms are intact. It's got the glass, which is nice. There's a little bit of scuffing, but what do you expect from a kit that was, what does this say? I don't see a date on it. Oh, 1988. So a 1988 kit. The only thing I don't like about this kit, and I never liked about it then, were the tires. They just seemed super tiny. If you look at a real photo, I'll put this one up, you can see the back wheels are like very, very wide. And these are all the same width. And these rims are all the same width. Like you can see on this photo how the back rim is a lot deeper, bigger tire. So that's the only thing I don't like about this kit. The tires look tiny. As you can see on the box, they do look tiny as well. Sorry about the glare. But yeah, pretty excited to have this kit again. I think it's going to be awesome to build. I don't know if I'll do it black and gold again. I might, but I also have in my mind that red one. I just thought back then, I guess black and gold would look cool. And it does. So, yeah, thanks for checking out the video. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to building this one. Hoping to get to it soon, like I said. Maybe for the box stock build. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, like I said, hope everyone's doing well. Prayers for those who need them. And we'll talk to y'all soon. Pat out. Model on. Thank you. Thank you very much.